Today's topic for discussion is microscopy. Let us see the concept of microscopy in detail. The microscopy is one of the tools which is essential for the study of smallest living organisms. The microscopy was invented by either Zacharias Janssen, name of the scientist, of Netherlands, or Galileo of Italy by the end of 15th century. It was Antony van Leeuwenhoek of Dutch, he was a Dutch scientist, in 1976 for the first time used a crude simple microscope consisting of a biconcave lens enclosed in two metal plates to describe bacteria and protozoa. Robert Hooke had used a compound microscope in 18th century. The size of an object can be increased by additional lenses. The magnification in the process of enlarging the image of the object. Effective magnification depends on the resolving power of the microscope. The resolving power is the ability to distinguish two adjacent objects as a separate and distinct image rather than as a single buried image. The lens system of the human eye has a resolving power of approximately 0.2 mm, which means that the eye cannot see anything that is smaller than 0.2 mm. Next. In case of microscope, the magnification depends on the type of objective lens used with the ocular. The total magnification of the object is calculated by multiplying the magnification of the objective by the magnification of the ocular lens. The greatest useful magnification of a microscope is that which makes the smallest visible object clearly resolvable. Optical system could be built by magnify much more than the 1000x magnification of microscope, but the resolution would be poor. The microscope resolving power dependent on the wavelength of the beam used for illumination and optical quality of the lenses. Shorter wavelength gives better resolution. Resolution power is determined by the following formula. Formula is shown in the slide. Resolution power, that is Rp, equal to lambda divided by 2 into Na, where lambda is wavelength of light used, which is usually set at 550 nm, and Na is numerical aperture. The numerical aperture, that is Na, can be defined as a function of the diameter of objective lenses in relation to its focal length. Next. There are various kinds of microscopes which are used in laboratory. The types are made on the basis of lens system. Some types of microscopes are as follow, discussed here. Names are given only. Number 1, dissecting or simple microscope. Number 2, compound microscope. Number 3, electron microscope. Let us see the details of all these three types of microscopes in further video.